make some paper, boy.
I fell in love with marijuana at a great age, no peer pressure. I chose my time to get high, off their pressure. I made my own decision, I was 21 and at the time I was seeing a girl who started young. She looked at me and asked, why not do it? I'd sigh and I'd gas, I never really knew it. The answer to the question that was pressing had me stressing, cause my father would accuse me of getting high, getting by, not having goals, wasting my life, wasting the nights at my girlfriend's house. Sometimes I wasn't at my girlfriend's house. Sometimes I link up with a shorty from the south who texts about her mouth and the pussy game was raw. And even though I hit the bitch, I didn't hit her raw. So fuck what you heard, only go by what you saw. But anyway, let me talk about the sticky moss. I be lighting up like the week of Mardi Gras. And yes, I party hard, it's really probably cause I ain't go to college, I ain't stay on campus. I was one lonely line on an empty canvas, trapped in the one set-minded, blinded by the ignorance of kindness, hotter than a temporal state of climate, intellectual ladder that I'm climbing, into sex with matter that I time it. You don't even realize what I'm saying. It's nonsense, I'm only playing. But the marijuana's good though. I'm still wondering how I get the hood hoes. Maybe cause they wanna do with some good goals, and not another nigga flexing with the wood goes. It could get crazy when the backwood rolls. Have a nigga stuck behind the back room doors. Type of shit that make me lock the bathroom doors. Get myself together, hit the jack, who knows? I could probably end up leaving with like 2 hoes that's liking what I'm doing, they done been to 2 shows. Just the type of life I'm living on the used road. I'm not even speeding yet, I'm still on cruise mode. I'm not stopping till a nigga get a huge bowl that I'm selling around in my private huge bowl. BPE gon' be the leaders of the new school. Take the game over, put it on a new rule. Who knew that Ryder had the shit that make you think about some shit that you ain't never think about before? The wider range of subject change is such a lovely thing. Amongst the other things, we cannot forget about the flow. A nigga feeling powered up all off the sicky sour puff. Remember when I used to watch the girls power puff? Them times were simple, life was so easy. Now life is hard, it feels like it squeezed me. Please believe me, I ain't never try to fake shit. If it wasn't nice, I ain't never try to say shit. I kept my thoughts to myself. I only wanna talk when they talk about wealth. Fuck with me wrong, I got off you in stealth before anyone could've offered you help. Put you in the grave in a coffin you built, cause you made the wrong decisions with the cards you was dealt. And then tell my niggas how awesome it felt. Find your death note and send it off in the mail. Send it to your parents who fight off in the cell. Then take my girl out and pay the cost of the mail. Take a shit and shower, yeah, I'm off, but I'm real. Man, I'm off this for real. Yeah. It's your brother, baby. Shouts out Origami for the beat. Monster, the producer. Big Plays Entertainment. FPN. 1.